Hello folks, haven't been on YouTube for a while, been busy working, had one person quit, two's on vacation, and so that's left me not a lot of time to do anything. Just go through some knives I've got and had for a while and sort of take a look and see what we've got. This is a case. It's the Sodbuster type, stainless steel blade. This one I got at a pawn shop. It's carbon steel blades. Not a bad knife. And this one, I don't know what it is. It might be a Imperial. Can't see what it is. Okay. And then another one. An old beater. Don't know what kind that is. I'm holding a GoPro camera, so I can't open it. And oh yeah, there's an old Barlow. I like it a lot. Looks like it's good for whittling. Hard to open. And this is an old one. It's carbon steel blades, and I like it because it's a Stockman pattern. And this looks like maybe it's let's see, some kind of Schrade maybe, or a buck. Might be a buck. And this one is well, I can't think of any names today. It's I buy them all the time and can't remember the name. Well, probably think of it sometime. Here's another little knife. That'll be good for rough removal of stock. OB&L. And a little tiny knife. Carbon steel blades. And I've got more. I like these right here most of all. And that is it. Thank you for watching. I hope to talk to you later. Bye.